Hope you are doing great. So friends, in this working video, I'm going to show you the beautiful admin dashboard with dynamic data from Excel sheet. Yes, here's my Excel sheet from where I'm getting the data. See, this is a demo Excel sheet that I have made. See, for data fetching, and it's showing inside this admin dashboard, and it is for real estate. And friends, before showing you working demo and code, I must say please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest updates. So friends, here we go. So let's see the chart is works well, and also see, and guys, also in part 2 I will add data tables as well, and also that data will come from Excel sheet. Now I have just added the area chart, the bar chart, and the list data. And I must say I have used ApexChart, and it will work fine with the JavaScript, React, and Angular as well. But now it's in Gulp. And friends, see, and guys, if you will have any kind of queries, yes, no requirement, then feel free to comment on this video. Also, please contact me via my blog. Here's contact us page. This is my blog, therichpost.com. I am doing programming from last 10 years, and also if you will have any kind of work, then feel free to contact me anytime. I'm full-time freelancer. Please contact us page, my email ID, my WhatsApp number, and my Upwork ID as well. And also here's my development strategy, and also you'll get the multiple free things on my blog for Bootstrap, e-commerce template, WordPress, WooCommerce, Angular, React.js, Next.js, Vue.js as well. There are a lot of stuff present on my blog, and all are free of course. Back to dashboard. See guys, and like I said, in next video or after some time, I will add their tables, and that will come from Excel sheet as well. For now, the charts and the tables as well. And friends, also I'm planning for the dynamic menu as well from Excel sheet. Like now here are two menus, and after a few time I will get the more menus and from Excel, and all the data will come from Excel sheet. So no database and no anything, just you will get you Excel sheet, and or you will add the data inside Excel sheet, and you will get the data straight on your dashboard as well. So friends, this is for today, and in the end I must say few things. Please subscribe my channel, please support me, and also thank you for watching this video. Thank you, have a nice day, take care, bye bye.